Hello, this is Greg. I need to make a 4-hole pattern so that I can make a base for this PCB. So how I'm going to do that is I'm in Design Spark, but this method should work in any CAD program. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to define that line from center. I'm going to put it on a 45. Now, my hole is 3 millimeters round. From inside to inside on these holes is about 60 point, what's that, 94, 70. So I'm going to call it 61. And that's from inside to inside. So I add half the hole to the 61, which gives me 62.5. So that's the number. Make sure you're on the 45 and put the 62.5 and enter. Go up and grab another line from the center, and on a 45, go 62.5, enter. Excuse me. And then you want to go over and grab a circle. And my circle on this is 3 millimeters. So I'm going from the center, click a 3. That's 3 millimeters. And then in Design Spark, when this one hits 3, the other one turns green. And then same down here, then you'll see the other two turn green. Click this one, oop, those are green, then they're all 3 millimeter. And then again on this one I have a trim away tool where I can go in and, Design Spark is, this version is free. I am not affiliated with them or advertising for them, but I've been using it and it works. And there is a 4-hole pattern which will get you incredibly close for 3D printing. And it all depends on how accurate your measurements are as to how close to center you are on the holes. But I have found that this method is quick and clean and it works consistently. I hope this helps. You have a great day.